Do you guys know the agent marker? What does that mean? For example, what's the difference between those two? The agent marker, right? The agent marker means that it is a person. It's something that somebody does or works as, and that adds meaning to the sign. So today we're going to go through a bunch of vocabulary words. The vocabulary topic is jobs, and so obviously the agent marker will come up quite a bit. However, there are some exceptions to the agent marker. You wouldn't sign nurse like this, right? That's wrong. Or doctor. So some professions or jobs don't have the agent marker. So it's just something you kind of have to memorize. Okay, so again, some of those have the agent marker with them. Most of them, I'd say, do. There's just a few exceptions. Let me just go over the exceptions again here quick. Advertising, word to advertise. Optometrist. Dentist or dentist. This is also the sign for teeth, though, just so you know. Also sign for class. Police officer. Doesn't have an agent marker. Nurse. Doctor or doctor. None of those do. So there's also a few like work-related signs. We already talked about like apply or applicant. But there's also to hire. Same sign as welcome. Most of the time you're talking about a job, you would sign job, career, this kind of stuff. And then also salary. We're also going to be talking about using to be. Okay, the words to be. In English, there's a lot of different concepts behind both of those words. Let me give you some sentence examples. You need to be there by 5. That means you need to get there by 5, right? They want to be actors. So they have different meanings in those sentences. They want to become actors. Their profession that they want is to be an actor. They will be 25 tomorrow. Don't be late. I want to be a doctor. Right? So to be has a lot of In English, we use the same phrases for that, but in ASL, we use different phrases because they're different concepts. So I'm going to show you the 3 signs that can be used for to be. So if you find yourself like to be, wait, how do you send to be? You need to think about what concept it is and then apply one of these 3. So the first one is to arrive. To arrive, like I want to arrive by 5, right? I want to be there by 5. Or I don't want to be late. I don't want to arrive late. And then to work, you would use this as like to be a police officer. Being a police officer would be a fun job. Working as a cop, that'd be fun. Or working as a counselor, that'd be hard, right? So to work. Last one is to become. This is the one that you'll use probably the most often. They want to be an actor. That's how you would say that. They want to become an actor. I want to become a doctor. Or you can also use, if you're talking about like, I'm going to be 25 tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to be 25. Yeah. So think about that in English, the different meanings, and then you can use one of these 3 words to sign those concepts.